Building material. Buildings are very big and strong. They are made of different kinds of materials, collectively known as building materials. Let's know about them. Different materials. Bricks and cement are the most common building materials. They are used in large quantities to construct a building. Masons use bricks and mortar to make the walls of the building. Bricks are lined perfectly by the mason using mortar. Mortar is made by mixing cement, sand, and water. Mortar firmly and strongly fixes the bricks. Masons also use a plumb line to keep the wall straight. The plumb line tool is made of a weight and a thread. Masons use many other tools, like a brick trowel to put mortar between the bricks and a plastering trowel to plaster the wall. When walls are complete, mason prepares the roof. Firstly, a dummy roof is prepared with the help of wooden planks. Then steel rods are laid on the dummy roof for support. At last, concrete is spread uniformly. After a few days, the concrete hardens and the dummy roof is removed. Then the plastering of the walls and roof is done. Later, wooden work, electrician work, sanitary work, flooring work, and finally paint work follow to complete the building. Bridges. Bridges are connecting structures built over obstacles like rivers, valleys, or roads. They are designed to support the weight of people, vehicles, or other loads that may cross over them. They play a crucial role in connecting two separate areas and facilitating transportation. Bridges can vary widely in terms of design and materials used, depending on the specific requirements of the location. For example, suspension bridges, cantilever bridges, arch bridges, drawbridges or bascule bridges, etc. Suspension bridges are built with the help of strong suspension cables suspended from tall towers. They are commonly used to cross large bodies of water or deep valleys where traditional bridges may be difficult to build. Cantilever bridges are made with cantilevers that are supported only on one end. They are often built over wide rivers or deep valleys. Arch bridges have a curved shape that helps to distribute the weight evenly, making the bridge strong and stable. They can be made of different materials like stone, brick, concrete, or steel. A drawbridge or bascule bridge is a movable bridge that can be raised or lowered to allow ships to pass underneath. When the drawbridge is not being used, it stays at its level so that people and cars can cross over it like a regular bridge. These types of different bridges need different materials to be built. Some bridges use steel, concrete, or wood. It depends on how long the bridge is and where it's built. The materials have to be strong and safe for people to cross over.